Hi friends, today we are going to talk about another topic is unpack tuples in Python. Okay. It has two subtopics. One is unpacking a tuple and using asterisk. So what is the meaning of unpacking a tuple? When we create a tuple, we normally assign values to it. This is called as packing. Okay. So generally we normally assign values to it. Okay, this is called packing. This is called packing a tuple. Okay, for example, example 1 is here. A is equal to, we are having this type of items. One is cottage, academy, next one is project. So different items can be represented in a variable with the help of curly bracket. This is nothing but packing tuple. Then you are writing that print of A. As usually we will be get that the result is as it is function. Output will be, you are getting cottage, okay, academy and project. Like that you will be getting either single quotation or double quotation. But what is the meaning of? But in Python, we are also allowed to extract the values back, or values or items back into variables. This is called as unpacking. This is example for packing. This is unpacking. Packing means various items can be represented in a single variable. You will get this type. But how can you extract this? The example for unpacking a tuple. So simply we are taking that A is equal to, we are taking that cottage, academy, project, like that we are getting. So this is actual packing. Now we have to convert it into another domain. That another domain is nothing but simply we are taking that in curly bracket. We are taking that x comma y comma z. Then it will is equal to, you are writing that A. So A contains 3 items. All are moving into left side. Then we are writing that print of x, print of y, print of x, print of y, and print of z. After execution of these 5 lines, you will be get x value is cottage. Next y value will be academy, and last one is project. We are converting from pack to unpack. Like that we will be get. Okay. So what is the conclusion of this example is here. Here A variable having 3 items, and left side variables also should follow the same. That is, meaning is here, note important is here, the number of variables must match the number of values in the tuple. Okay, here is the number of items, here number of variables. So note that number of variables are these, must match the number of values in the tuple. Okay. If not, you must use an asterisk. So how can you use that asterisk symbol, and how can you avoid? Okay. That is the main example. Example for this asterisk, using this you are getting this. That example is example for asterisk. We prefer only asterisk is if both are not matching. Here 3 items and here 3 variables. Sometimes that function is not mapping. At this moment we prefer that, A is equal to cottage, okay, academy, project, then college, school, okay, university. There are around 6 items in a variable. Okay. Now we are converting into that in brackets of this x comma y comma z actually. Okay. So you are writing that as it is variable. Here a contains 6 items. Here left side is only 3 variable. At this moment you will get an error. That problem is avoided before the end. We are using one asterisk. So that is here, if the number of variables less than the number of values, you can add an asterisk to variables name and the values will be assigned to the variables and list. Then you will be get the, rest of the list automatically will be displayed in the one. Okay. Like that you will be get. So what is the meaning of that response is here. After that, if you use that print of x, print of y, then you can write print of z. After execution of these lines, you will be get here the a first item will be stored in a x value. What is the x value? Result is output for this value is quotation. Next one is y value. Y value is, what is the y value? Academy. Next z value is, so remaining all are will be stored in z. That's why you will be get that values are project. Next one is college. Next one is school. Next one is university. Like that you will be get the entire data.